It is absolutely freezing today. I am just chilled to the bone, even though I am really trying to warm up. So for THERMOWick Thursday, so note a name change. That's my husband's creation, which I thought was actually quite clever. So for THERMOWick Thursday, I am making a fresh juice. Now, I get asked this question all the time, does the Thermomix juice? And the answer to that is that it actually is better than a juicer, because when you are juicing, you are stripping out all the pulp and the skin and all the fibre that is actually in the skin. When you are using the Thermomix, you are putting it all into the machine, and it's got such a powerful blade that it is processing it to a pulp, which then you don't add enough liquid. You could add some ice, but I wasn't prepared to do that today, and it really blends it up into a drinkable juice. So that's what I'm going to make for you today. So I am just going to do it manually, and I've got some apple, half an apple. I've got some kiwi fruit. I've left the skin on because all the goodness is in the skin. I just gave it a wash. I've got some pear. Again, I've left all the skin on. Some carrot, because I love carrot juice. And then I've got some turmeric. So I've got some fresh turmeric. Turmeric has got great anti-inflammatory benefits. And then I've got some fresh ginger. Ginger and turmeric are amazing. Now, for the health benefits of turmeric, you need to add black pepper, because otherwise the body can't absorb the curcumin, which is the anti-inflammatory benefits, into the body. Okay, so then I'm just going to add a little bit of coconut water. I love coconut water. It's what I have my nutrient rescue with every morning. And so I'm just going to process this, and I'm just going to do it for a minute and a half, and then no temperature, obviously, and I'm going the highest speed at 10. Okay, so we've got a minute and a half, and I might stop it halfway through, and I'm going full nose. What that does, I don't know if the noise is overpowering for you to hear me, but I can stop that halfway through so that I can check the temperature, the consistency. What I'm going to do now, this is actually a trick that I do with getting more vegetables into my cooking. So like you can see that is, not the nicest of colours, but that's got it's really, the smell is incredible. So I'm just going to add a little bit more liquid. And I know that all the goodness is in there because all the skin's in there. Okay, so I'm going to continue on. Okay, so something else I was about to tell you is that I do this with veggies. So like tonight I am making a lasagna, and I pulp carrots, broccoli, courgettes, mushrooms, all up into a pulp, and then I stir it through the mince mixture. So I think you can get the gist. I don't know if you can hear me over the background noise, but this is a way that you get more veggies, fruit and veggies into your diet in a beautiful way, with having all that added extra of the fibre and not losing all the goodness that you do with juicing. I always struggle with juicing. That ginger and that turmeric is incredible. I've struggled with the leftovers for juicing, and even though it can go into compost and I've tried to make it into a quiche, it's just not the same. So I love the fact that with a Thermomix you can get all the goodness from what you're using, and there's no waste. And so that, as I said, with veggies, I process them into a pulp, then I stir them through into the mince. Nobody has got any idea that they're in there, and I am feeling so satisfied as a mother because I'm getting veggies into my kids, especially my youngest, who's a very selective eater. Okay, so let me just show you this. Look at that beautiful texture. You can thin it out even more, but it's super smooth. And let's just have a taste test. That is incredible. The ginger and turmeric absolutely makes it. So if you are interested in learning more about a Thermomix, how you can get one onto your bench, and the black Thermomix is available at the moment until the 10th of August, and it is super stylish. So just reach out to me. I would love to. I can do you an online demo. I can do you an in-person demo if you're in Auckland, and I'll just show you the possibilities of what this machine can do for you. It is totally life-changing. Okay, thanks so much for joining me, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.